If you're looking for one-floor living in Westlake, Ohio, this is a must-see. Check out the Sandstone Fireplace. This ranch home sits in central Westlake on over half an acre. It can be used for commercial or residential. Very convenient if you're working from home these days. You caught me. I'm over here relaxing on the porch. Just imagine sitting here drinking a glass of wine or coffee, enjoying the privacy of your own backyard. Another great feature is your laundry room right off of your kitchen. I absolutely love this kitchen. It definitely brings me back.